Water heater repairs can totally save the day if your unit was installed wrong, but you gotta know when to fix and when to just swap it out. So, here's the deal. First, figure out what kind of water heater you have because gas and electric ones need different care, you know? Next, always turn off the power or gas supply before messing with anything. Safety first, duh. If your heater is leaking, check the connections and the pressure relief valve. Sometimes a tight twist or valve replacement does the trick. Flushing out sediment is super important too, because buildup can mess up heating efficiency big time. When you're reinstalling or fixing pipes, use Teflon tape on threaded joints to prevent leaks. Dull cable, Teflon tape on threaded joints. Trust me on this one. Also, make sure the venting is clear and properly installed for gas heaters to avoid carbon monoxide risks. If you're dealing with cold water or no hot water, checking the thermostat settings and heating elements is key. Sometimes they just need a quick reset or swap. And don't forget regular maintenance. A little checkup now and then keeps things running smooth. One of the biggest mistakes with water heater repair is ignoring improper installation from the start. If your unit was put in by someone who didn't have a clue, like a handyman without proper training, it can lead to leaks, poor heating, or even safety hazards. Fix? Call a legit heating pro to inspect and give you an honest estimate. Another common screw-up is skipping regular maintenance. Sediment buildup silently ruins your heater's lifespan. Solution: flush it annually to keep things efficient. Lastly, people often mess up by trying to fix gas water heaters on their own without understanding the gas connections or venting. That's a huge safety risk. The fix is simple. Always hire a licensed technician for gas work so you don't end up with bigger problems. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get steady work from people who need reliable pros for their home projects.